What's up everyone, it's me, yours truly, John Valencia. Welcome back to True Asia Diaries. For today, we're going to do a reaction video for ASAP Male Champions. Yes, this is Kimo, JM Zures, JM De La Serna, and Raven O'Malley. Grabe guys, ito, trending na trending to today dahil kumasa sila sa challenge ng She's Gone. Ako, alam naman natin, sobrang hirap nito guys. Kahit ako sa karaoke, hindi ko to kinakaya. So, tignan natin paanong bosesan ang mangyayari for today with our new gen champs. Ito mga bagong champions of ASAP na talaga namang they deserve to be in this spotlight, in this segment. Kaya naman excited tayo dyan. But before proceed guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing 3, 2, 1, and go. So guys, exciting too. Apat lang sila, nakakatuwa.
She's gone.
Grabe yung audience. JM Zures deserve. Bagay. Raven. Ang ganda ng outfit niya, may pa-diamonds. Kimo. O, lahat na TNT except Kimo. Idol Philippines. Iba yung angas ni ano, Kimo. Of course, JM, kapitan. Wait lang. JM De La Serna. Grabe. Effortless, guys. Galing. Goosebumps ako dun na. Nakaka-proud. Diba? Balikan natin yun. Of course, I'm proud of this four. Pero iba yung tusok ni JM. Jamil. Grabe yung escalation na yun. Ang linis. Grabe. Kanya-kanya. Isa-isa. I love it, ASAP. Diba? Okay nga naman yun. Bigay natin isa-isa yung version nila. So, galing. Ito rin, magaling din to. Grabe, JM. Ito natin, Kimo. Oh my God, grabe. Ang galing nilang lahat, guys. So, tingin ko sa apat na to, if I'm gonna rank it the way they execute this part of the song. Kasi ito yung challenge dun, yung pataas ng pataas. The escalation note ang tawag dyan. Charit, akala mo naman super expert tayo. I'll go with number 4, si Raven. And then JM Zures, Kimo, and then JM De La Serna. Sa akin lang yun, guys. Siyempre, comment din dyan sino sa inyo, di ba? Kanya-kanya tayong opinion. Galing eh. Oh, smooth. Oh, grabe. Grabe ang falsetohan. They're giving all their heart. Uy, gusto ko yun. Ganda ng damit niya. Grabe, JM Zures and Raven, basagan ng betlog. Charit. Grabe, iba. Ang hirap na kasi full falsetto tong chorus part ng She's Gone, and yung head tone mo dapat smooth kasi magkagaral-gal siya pag dire-diretso yun for a male vocal. But they are executing it with their own style. Kasi parehas tong dalawang to, they have this good falsetto and head tone. So, kitang-kita naman. Grabe. Balikan natin konti yung part na yun. Kinulot pa, no? Grabe! Ang linis kaya mo, Kimo. Grabe, inuugat tayo. Effortless. Oh, grabe. Wala na. Tapos na to. Nailed it, JM De La Serna. Nailing it effortlessly. Oh, everybody's doing the execution very well. And I like Kimo's style, no? Kasi R&B si Kimo eh. So, sanay siya dito. Yung mga ganitong falsetto and head tone type of song. And the way that he's executing it, effortless din. Pero ugat-ugat. Oo, nagkakaugatan tayo. But JM De La Serna, nakasmile pa. Guys, parang kumakain lang mani. Oo, diba? Balikan natin ang taas. Grabe, shocking. Shocking? Diba? Grabe. Oh! Grabe. Para mga opera singer to iba ang tambalang Kimo at JM De La Serna. Grabe yun, guys. ASAP, we want more of this. This is so good. Grabe, balikan na natin. Grabe na, guys. Agree ba kayo? Comment kayo. Diba? Gigil. Shoota, grabe. Patiran ng litid, grabe. Oh. Yun na yun. Oy, puta, kabog. Nagkagulo ang mga audience. Goosebumps. They nailed it. Kabog. There you have it, guys. That is ASAP Male Champions for their She's Gone Challenge. Grabe. Ang ganda ng arrangement to. Alam mo, more of this kind of showcasing hard songs. Kasi it's-challenge yung mga music artists. Tapos, talagang naipapakita nila kasi yung distribution with the best part of the song. We call it like the bridge or maybe a refrain. Tapos yung hihit mo yung money note. Diba? Nakaka-amaze yun sa atin eh. And this kind of vocal spectacle performance, gustong-gusto to ng mga Pilipino kasi mahilig tayo sa birit, diba? When somebody can hit the high note, kapag bumibirit ka talaga, mapapawaw mo ang mga Pilipino. Kasi dun tayo, yun yung genre of music na nagpapabilib sa atin. Kaya di ba pag mga very soft lang and chill, magaling, but hindi tayo napapawaw. Iba yung standard ng Filipino sa mga ganyan. Charit! Kasi ganda, grabe yun. The Kimo and JM De La Serna face-off. Ganda. Everybody, sobrang deserve nitong apat na to be in the spotlight. But of course, para sa akin, the male champs of the week is JM De La Serna. Grabe, ikaw ang champion para sa akin for today's video. That's for my own opinion, guys. You can comment down below. Siyempre, lahat naman sila magagaling. But we always have our favorite. And hindi lang dahil favorite ko siya. He nailed it. Patunay. Panoorin niyo ulit. Balikan niyo sa ASAP. alam nyo na si JM ang nag-stand out dito. And then next, Kimo, JM Usuris, and then Raven Umali. Kaya naman, sa inyo, anong ranking nyo? I-comment down below nyo dahil that's our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Aries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.